how everyone wins. A Haverhill veteran gets a car, and future car mechanics get valuable experience and a great feeling of helping someone out. It's a unique partnership between the Minuteman Vocational Technical High School and a nonprofit.
And when the car drives off, everyone is a winner. Lopez, a Coast Guard vet, is the proud owner of his first car.
I went a long time just being on survivor mode, trying to figure out, what's the next step going to be. I'm glad to just feel this big break.
The 2004 VW was donated to Second Chance Cars, a year-old organization with the goal of putting low-income veterans in the driver's seat.
This is the kind of moment where you can go from hoping to survive to potentially thriving.
And it's the automotive technology students at Lexington's Minuteman VocaTech who did the work to get the car road ready, making repairs and checking tires, brakes, and the electrical system.
I think it's awesome that some of the work that I did will benefit someone that's in need.
The project also gives the young people hands-on experience.
I think to see a connection between their work and how it helps other people in a real practical way is, I know it's very satisfying.
I think it's a good idea to help people who don't have enough money.
Eris, a father of two, works 2 jobs and used to ride a bike or spend money he can ill afford on rideshare services.
Just with budgeting and the finances not being there, it's been very hard.
Having the car will also let him visit his kids who live in New Hampshire.
I have options now. I can travel now.
And as he heads out with his new used car, his possibilities are growing. He gets to see his kids, he gets to work, he has the pride in ownership, and those kids have the pride in knowing that they made that possible.
I'll tell you right now, that's a 2004 car. It looked like it just rolled out of the dealership.
Right?
Beautiful.
In case you're wondering, the cars are usually worth between $3,000 and $5,000, and they aren't free for the veterans. They each receive a $900 interest-free loan to pay a small part of the costs associated with that. But it's a great story.
What a great program. What a great school.
I know, and a great guy.
Awesome.